What's up, guys? We are going to review how to defend the hook. Today we're going to show a couple different variations of ways you can defend it. One will be by catching the hook and another will be rolling. So I'm here with my partner. When I throw my hook, there's a ton of different ways that you could actually throw this punch. We're just going to basically do it from an open hand and a wide hip stance. So when I say wide hip, meaning I'm going to open up my hips to throw the strike. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find my target. He knows I'm going to throw a hook towards his head. The first thing he's going to do is make sure he's answering a phone with his arm and staying tight. He's going to make a frame right here so he can absorb the impact of this hook. So when I load my legs, he sees me open up. He's going to go to the back of his head, boom, making this frame here. Okay. So when I throw the hook again, he sees me open up. He knows where to block. Coming in here. Okay. So here, here. Now notice, when I throw the shot, his weight is centered in his legs. Because if his weight's off in one of the legs, when I throw the shot, he's gonna get thrown off balance. What he wants to make sure is not only is he blocking this punch, but his weight is gonna be distributed evenly in his legs, so he can always keep him grounded. Okay, so I'm here, I'm opening, boom, okay? We're gonna do the same thing with a rear hook. It's almost the identical same thing. So when I'm here, I'm in the same stance. He sees me start to load, his hand comes up to block, boom, he's staying tight here. Okay, so we're gonna do a few more of these. Here, boom, 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 okay? So that's how we catch the hook. Now another very, very common defense is rolling the hook. When I throw this hook here, let's say a lot of times he likes to keep his hands down. Okay, a lot of fighters are very comfortable keeping their hands down. Perfectly okay, but if you do this, you also have to be very slick at understanding where your movements are for the next defense. So now instead of him blocking the punch, he's gonna roll it. I'm gonna throw my hook here, and he's gonna roll underneath that punch and come right back up. Notice when he does it, his body makes a full circle without his legs moving. He's literally using his hips and his legs for the movement. So when I'm here, he comes out, he opens up, and he rotates under that arm and comes right back into an attack position where the weight is in his legs. So again, we're here, boom, he's around it. We're around it. Now, the way I used to do this when I was first starting in boxing was we used to comb their back. So when I would open up, I would comb it. Open, comb. That way, so you're working with each other on these drills. And the same thing works on the other side for the rear hand. I'm gonna open up, rolling underneath, and he comes back. Roll, come back. Roll, come back. Roll, come back. Now let's add that rolling on the back, rubbing his back. Boom. That way, so you always get the perfect movement on each series. So now let's make this as a skilling drill. He's gonna block my first hook, and then he's gonna roll the second hook. So I'm here, block, roll. Same thing. Block, roll. Block, roll. Block, roll. One more. Block, roll. Okay? We're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. He's gonna block it, he's gonna roll it. Easy enough. Block, roll. Block, roll. Block, roll. Now we're gonna do one more. Block, roll. Okay. So now that we have an understanding how to do this, we're gonna put it together and make it a progressive drill. So with the hook, he's gonna block. I'm gonna throw the opposite side, he's gonna block. I'm gonna counter back with another hook, followed by another hook. Okay? So now let's put this together at a little more real speed. So I'm gonna go hook, 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 hook. Okay? Put it together. Hook, 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 hook. Okay? So we're gonna slow it down one more time. Block, block, roll, roll. Now let's put it together. Ready? One more time. And those are basic skill and drills for defending the hook.